Yo, Freddy.
Yeah?
Haven't you been sneezing lately?
Yeah.
You good, my bro?
Yeah. Good.
Let me tip your nose. Tickle, 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 tickle. And then he sneezes so hard he goes flying up into the air.
And he's like,
ow, ow. That's it. Don't like yeet him up in the air. Just oof.
Oh, I feel dizzy.
Let me tickle your nose again. Jesus, Freddy, I know what to do. Let me put something up in your nose, boy.
No, not
Get back in! And then let me.
Oh no, I feel it again.
Now that's it. I'm gonna stick this up your nose again, boy.
No.
Now breathe it in.
No.
Breathe it in.
I can't breathe it in.
Just go. Go.
No.
There we go. Okay, you got it. Hopefully like that.
I can help with your sneezes. I can help with your
I don't have sneezes. Freddy does.
I can help with sneezes.
I don't have sneezes.
Try these cold wipes. You put them in your nose. They get all of your germs in your nose away.
Hey, sir, come over to me again. What does your face look like? Oh.
Yes.
Let me just turn you around. Yeah.
Oh.
Now, here, let me take the cold wipes. Have a great day, Frost Bear. Boom.
Oh.
Here, take these cold wipes, boy.
Oh. I don't have the sneeze anymore.
Put one more cold wipe in there. Now he didn't feel the sneeze. The sneeze.
Oh, I don't feel it anymore.
Perfect. Anyways. Let's put them right here. Move out of the way, Bonnie. Thank you for watching Tegan Plus Productions. Right now I have my cousin helping me with the videos.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Tegan Plus Productions. We'll see you guys tomorrow with other 2 videos. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.